All right, YouTubers, welcome back. My name's Dave.
Oh, that sucks, dude.
Like always, and you found do-it-yourself, do-it-right. Well, got my newly acquired Nissan hat on. Standing in front of the Nissan.
No shit, Sherlock.
And that can only mean one thing. I'm gonna do some work on the Nissan. Got some fender liners a while back, because I thought I was gonna need them to protect the undercarriage, side carriage, bed, whatever you want to call it, from the, you know, the snow and the salt. But, well, don't really need them now because I'm moving south. But I got them, and I'm gonna install them. So let's get into it. Which fender liners did I buy, you ask? Well, I'll tell you. I bought the Rough Country brand, you know, Rough Country. These just kind of go up in there to kind of block this whole area in here. So, what am I gonna need to do this task? Well, I need some things. I need a jack, so I can jack it up, take the wheel off, so I can get access to there. I'm gonna need I need a 21 with my impact. I'm gonna need a drill with a drill bit. Now the directions call for a 17/32, and if you're like me, you don't have a 17/32, well, you're gonna make do with a 1/2 inch. It's only a little bit off. It's like a 17/32, I believe in decimal form, is 0.562 or something like that, and a half as well. 0.5. So you can give her the old limp wrist. You know, waller the hole out a little bit if it doesn't fit. And what I mean if it doesn't fit is, well, you got to put some riv nuts in. So you got to drill a hole, put the riv nut in, make sure it fits flush, and then you got to pull the riv nut. And to do that, you don't need one of these because they give you the whole way to do it when you buy the kit. But I got a riv nut puller. So it's gonna make life a whole lot easier than setting that up with a bolt, spacers, tightening it, you know the deal. Try to get the riv nut to squish. Pair of gloves would be nice so you don't get your hands dirty, because, you know, I don't like getting my hands dirty.
And how long have you thought that?
The whole time. I've thought that the whole time.
And a stool. And a place to work. So let's get in it. As you can see, got the wheel off. You can see my wheel spacers. I took the 2 inches off, put the 1 inch back on, or not back on, put 1 inches on because I thought it looked better. That's a different video. You want to see that video, link to that one around my head somewhere. So basically, all you gotta do is find which one fits in there the correct way. You know, because there's a whoop whoop heat and a whoop whoop heat goes up front. And the directions.
Hang on, folks, you are not going to believe this.
I actually read them. The directions say that you set this thing on the bump stop mount for this cutout here. I mean, that's why it's there. You set it there, and well, I forgot to tell you that you're gonna need something to make a mark, like a paint marker, so you know where to drill the holes into the frame. That's right, hey, you gotta drill holes into the frames. You know, you just slap her up there, you line her up the best that you can, or well, the best that you like it. There's really not a lot of wiggle room. Mark the hole, drill the hole. Be done with it. I got blue because that's the one that was readily available. Marked. Hopefully it marked. It did. Get you in here and show you what I'm talking about. This stuff ain't rocket science, folks, okay? This is your mount. Cut out. Down here. There's the cutout. Goes here. You got 2 holes you gotta blast in there. Here's a mark. There's a mark. Everywhere a mark.
Look at you cracking jokes, you cool little cucumber.
And that's pretty much it for now. We'll see how hard this frame is when I try to drill through it with this probably really dull drill bit. Make sure you got it on drill mode. And make sure you got a full battery. All right, hole number 1. So I got my rev nut. See if she fits. And uh-oh, it doesn't fit. So I'm gonna have to give her a little bit of a see if that helped. Oh boy, not really.
God damn it.
I wasn't getting the results that I wanted with using the old limp wrist.
That's what she said.
So, I went over to my old toolbox over there, got my Christmas tree bit out, reamed it a little bit. Now, goes right in. Let's go ahead and set this puppy up. If you've never used a rib nut puller before, you basically just screw it on there, screw it all the way down, shove it in the hole, squish this. What that does is it pulls this tight, and then you just take this sucker and you spin it back out. Makes this job a whole lot easier. Oh, there it goes. Kinda. Let's see if I can get some more turns on it. See if I can get it a little tighter. There we go. Hopefully, it won't turn on us. Make sure when you're drilling the holes you get your drill shards all over the place. Now I'm just going to set this back up in here and reevaluate the hole placement. Okay. Pardon me. Probably gonna have to. Oh yeah, that should be muy bueno. I'm gonna throw one of these bolts in just to be sure, because you only got two mounting points. You want to make sure that it's gonna line up. What I'm doing is basically making sure that the mark that I made over here still lines up, which when I push it up, it does. All right. With this guy, I'm only going a little bit at a time. Just like that. Wow. Shoot. Whew. These big rev nuts, oh, they pull tough. Just doing little bits at a time. You know, just tighten it or squeeze it a little bit, turn it in, squeeze it a little bit. Turn it in, squeeze it a little bit more, turn it in, squeeze it some more. Yeah, and that's it. These bolts that hold them in, they're Allen heads. See? Maybe can't. Trust me, they're Allen heads. And they're 3/16. I'm gonna throw some Loctite on them. Just, you know, for shits and giggles. Now I got it all over my hand.
Oh, God damn it!
Usually why I'm wearing gloves. I brought gloves out and I don't even have them on. Probably should peel that sticker off at some point. This is a pretty easy project for somebody to do at home, as long as you have, you know, the right tools. Not really all that time consuming. We've only really been working on it maybe 20 minutes. You just got to make sure that, you know, you're able to blast those holes. That's all. You gotta, you know, you gotta order the right drill bits, or you gotta have a drill bit or a chair, you know, Christmas tree bit, what I have, so you can get those holes done. I don't remember the directions saying any torque, which I can't imagine there any torque on here. It's just a plate, really. That's all it is. Just to make it look pretty, help keep stuff out. Snug her down, and that's it, folks. That's all she wrote. You ready for the reveal? Here we go. It's kind of dark. Wish I had a better light. But that's what it is, folks. Just a plate. Now, like I said, the whole reason why I bought it was to try to keep the snow and the salt from getting into the bed and, you know, across that member and stuff. So it's actually gonna do what it's supposed to do, because I'm not gonna be in the salt.
Okay.
I'm gonna be down south, where, you know, there might be a little bit of mud, but you know, mud's not gonna travel in there. So that's a pretty easy task to do on this Nissan, and I think it's gonna clean up that wheel well just a little bit, because you could see everything. It was kind of didn't look great. They do have the plastic liners that go all the way around. Like I said, I saw those before I ordered, or I saw those after I ordered these, and I thought, well, those would be much better for the snow and the, you know, salt. So if you're gonna be in the North Country where you get snow and salt and dirt and everything else jam-packed into your wheel wells, I'd probably recommend those, even though I haven't bought them. All I've seen is what's online, but they look like they do a better job than these. So I'm kind of glad I got these instead of the other ones. I didn't send these back. So it is what it is. Obviously I'm gonna move to the other side, but it's just the same. You just do the same thing. Put it up there, mark it, drill the holes, put your rev nuts in there, and be done with it. Show you the complete truck once I'm done. Let's do a little before and then after. So this is what it looks like before. You can see all the holes, the frame, all that good stuff. Let's show you after. And that's your after, folks. This side's done. This other side, show you with the wheel on. pretty nifty. You can't see the rough country, but it's okay. I got rough country on the back here. You know, it's good stuff. I mean, you do pay for it, but it's definitely good stuff. So this project here, quick, easy little project to do. You can do this on a Saturday, just as long as you have the tools. You can do it on a Saturday morning, Sunday before the game, being the, you know, football season right around the corner. So if you like this Nissan truck stuff, if you got a Frontier, if you don't, maybe you're looking because you have a Tacoma. You're a Tacoma guy. Or, you know, if you have a different truck and you want to put those fender, whatever they call them, shields, I think that's the technical term, fender shield or wheel well shield, any which way. Quick, easy, something you can do, good little weekend job. So if you like this kind of stuff, like, tag, share, follow, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like always, till next time, thanks a lot.